Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repeat a top row in a table on Google Docs. So here I've already on Google Docs, and actually in Google Docs there is no feature or option where you can make the first or the top row as the repeated top row in the next page. It's different from Microsoft Word or maybe Google Sheets where you can freeze the column so that it repeats uh, at the next page, or if you scroll it still be there at the top. So here I'm going to give you a solution where you can use, so you can just copy this first column or the top row and then click on this two times and you'll direct it to the header option, and then you can just paste the top row before in here. And here if you want to adjust it, the distance of the header, you can also go to header format, and here you can make the inches from top bigger. For example, you want to make it like 1 inch, click on apply like that. You can also make it like that, and you can also delete this part um, like that. And then I'm going to add another page, for example, and let's see if the uh, top row will be there. Okay, so yeah, you can see the top row is now repeated. Whether you add another page like this, so it's now repeated, and you can just add a new list in here. Okay guys, so that is how you can make a top row, a repeated top row in Google Docs. I hope this solution will help you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.